Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear audience, today our video topic is Teachers' Day speech. Respected teachers, esteemed guests, students and parents. Today we gather to celebrate the selfless dedication and unwavering commitment of our teachers. Dear audience, teachers are the backbone of our education system, shaping your minds and inspiring future leaders. They are mentors, guides, and role models, making a profound impact on our lives. Dear audience, teachers plant seeds of knowledge, nurture curiosity, and foster creativity. They help us grow, learn, and overcome challenges. We are grateful for your patience and understanding, guidance and support, encouragement and motivation, unwavering commitment to our success. Your influence extends beyond the classroom, shaping character and values, inspiring patience and interest, building confidence and self-esteem, empowering us to make a difference. We recognize the challenges you face, long hours and tireless efforts, meeting diverse needs and abilities, balancing teaching and mentoring, yet your triumph. Seeing students grow and succeed, witnessing moment of understanding, forming lifelong connections. Dear audience, to our dear teachers, we say thank you. Thank you for being our guiding lights. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for helping us become the best version of ourselves. As we celebrate Teachers' Day, let us remember the power of teaching lies not in the curriculum, but in the connections. The impact of teaching extends far beyond the classroom. Dear audience, some best lines for teachers. The best teachers are those who show you where to look but don't tell you what to see. Alexandra K. Transfer. Teaching is not profession, it's a passion. Unknown. Thank you. Thank you, dear teachers, for all that you do. Thank you.